Today I'm going to show you how to replace the horns on a 2000 Toyota Tundra. And the horns are located right in the front. You have two horns. You have the low tone horn. You have the high tone horn. Today the one I'm going to be replacing is the high one. But if you are going to be replacing this one, it is the same procedure of what I'm going to be showing. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a 12mm socket. You can use a wrench, open wrench, but I'm going to be using an impact gun to speed things up. You have a 12mm bolt here, and you're going to use your socket. You can do this two ways. You can take the wire harness out first, or you can take the bolt out first. I find it easier removing the bolt. Once you get it out, put it in a safe spot. Now you see the horn? It has a wire harness. So you have to press here, this here, and you got to pull it. Sometimes it's really stuck. And there you go. So you got to press this hard. Make sure you don't pull it from the wire, because if you pull it from the wire, you're going to break that wire and you're going to have more problems. You have to press it right here. And once you press it, you push it down. And here goes your horn. Now to put it back, you do the opposite. You take the wire harness, you press this down. Sometimes it's a little hard to put in. You push it in. You got the hole here and the hole there. You have a washer. Put it in by hand first. And that's it. You have replaced your horn on your 2000 Toyota Tundra. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.